Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Whoop whoop! Listen, here's what's on the docket for today. I'm about to do a one-on-one virtual session. Then I'm gonna go to the gym to teach a in-person live Les Mills body pump class. I'll try to get some footage of that. Oh, little baby. So I'll try to get footage of that class. I'll just bring my camera. And then afterwards, we're gonna go to CVS. Oh, your girl got some coupons. So we'll see what we have there. You know, I like to go with things in mind, but it really depends on what's on sale. Okay. And then I thought we would do a little makeup inventory of my blushes, bronzers, and highlights. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys come along and let's get into it. Hey girl, how you doing? Okay, so how's your ankle feeling? Alright, so for this, your off the risers, you have the option of one plate. So we do lunge to each side, and then we also lunge to the back. So you just want to make sure those areas are nice and clear for you. Again, you can just go flat on the floor if you want. So we'll set that up. Again, since you are stepping behind you without looking, just make sure that area is clear. And then you are stepping to the side, so don't, you guys are pretty spaced out, you won't really step on each other. But grab water if you need it. We start on top of the bench. Let's squat, and then we step back, and then we go off to the side. Like a girl. Let's face our fears. Woo. You guys look good, so just make sure you're to one side, and let's do it. Like a girl. Okay, you know we're all gonna be just saying that one part for the rest of the weekend. I'm so sorry. All right, so you are squatting, heels outside hips. If you have a plate, it's at your collarbones, but you could just have your hands together. Slow forward, hold forward. Let me take my fear. Keep going. You got control. And don't stop. Woo! You can stay here. Alright? Your option. Or we can hop it. It's super bright, but just got done teaching class. It was so funny because I forgot to turn my camera on for the first part of class. So I remember halfway through the class, like, oh yeah, Abby, you wanted to film. So I tell my class, I'm like, y'all, I don't know if y'all watch YouTube, but there's this thing called Vlogmas. You film every day. I'm doing it, but I need some content. So my bag like emptied, and this little bag emptied out. But so I did get a track for you guys, and I obviously had to put music over it because of copyright. But that was fun. I'm really like, what is she doing? I'm gonna eat a snack after I organize my life. I was trying to get batteries. I have these clear bags that I got off Amazon, but like they zip, but they still have like gaps in them, so stuff still falls out in the gaps, and then the zipper starts to unzip. So oftentimes when I need stuff out of it, it's
everywhere. So I'm gonna eat a little snack. I brought a granola bar so that I can maintain my blood sugar. We don't crash before we get home. Look at all this stuff. Like, what is my life right now? So we are gonna go to CVS, like I said, and see what they have for us. I'll probably just take my phone in and not my camera so it doesn't look too crazy. We're on my camera right now. Thank you guys so much for saying that you are enjoying Vlogmas and getting a lot of good feedback and engagement, and it means a lot because it's a lot to put your life out there, your feelings, just everything. It's also a lot to, actually I'm in a pretty good schedule that it doesn't feel like a lot to edit or anything like that. I feel like we're in a good routine with that, actually. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you so much. Ugh. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So I do take extra shoes that I don't wear outside. I've explained my shoe system in the past, but basically brand new shoes do not get worn outside. They only get used in the gym, and I bring a gym bag. People. And then, so I have hand sanitizer, so we're gonna use that. Actually, I shouldn't have done that. I actually would like to use these wipes. These are G&Y antibacterial wet wipes that I get from CVS. They're $3.99, but you know, if you use some of their coupons. But what I like about them is they are pretty wet, but they actually feel like they are cleaning my hands. What a concept. And they don't leave any residue behind, and they're also really nice to use on my phone. My phone feels really clean after I use it on the phone. So yeah, so I'm gonna snack on, I have a Nature's Valley peanut bar. I'm gonna snack on that. I have water. Actually, I have 2 bottles of water. I'm really thirsty, so I'm glad I remembered to bring extra. So I'm gonna eat this real quick, then we'll go to CVS. My car is like fogging up. Yeah, I got coupons, so we'll coupon it up.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Alright, so they didn't actually have very much on sale, so I only got a couple of things. I really wanted to get some body spray. I don't know, I'm not really a body spray person, but I've been wanting some. So this brand, Good Chemistry, which I have another product from them, but this is Magnolia Violet. This is Magnolia Violet. It smells really good. This was $10, and then buy one get one 50% off. This is Water Lily. And then I went to hang something today, so I got some command hooks. So this was about $16. Not bad. But I'm gonna run to another store. I want to get the Goo Gone. Got some sticky stuff I need to remove from cabinets. So we're gonna go do that right now. Errands, have fun.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, tick, tick, tick. Down through the chimney with bits and tick.
Okay, so there's a little hardware store, and I was just kind of roaming around. There's some little things I wanted to change around my house, which I talked to you guys a little bit about that over the past 6 months or so. And one thing I wanted to change were like the outlet covers in the kitchen and the bathroom. And so, like I said, a little hardware store. So the first thing I got was, I want to make sure these light bulbs are really on sale. Okay, I wanted some daylight light bulbs, and these are, ooh, it's so bright, but these are LED daylight light bulbs. So I got those. Those were on sale for $10 for 4. And then the front door needs some vinyl foam, like weather seal. And so I thought I would get some and attempt to put it on myself. And then here, oh, and I got the Goo Gone. So I'm glad they had like just a little one, because I feel like we don't need a lot at one time. But in our bathroom and our kitchen, we have kind of this, what do they call it? Like brushed copper or whatever it is. She said I could return it if I did not get the right sizes, because I was just kind of going off memory. But there are light switch covers. And these tend to be expensive, but they do add a lot of like, they just make your house look nice. So I got some outlets. So it's going off memory, so hopefully I got the right amount. So I think we'll go home and just do those together. I don't know if we'll get to that makeup inventory today. We might have to do that tomorrow, but we'll just home project, I guess. All right, we're gonna head home, shower, eat, relax, and then we'll get to all of this a little bit later. Make sure to keep the receipt in case I got some of the wrong things. All right, look, Abby outside our house. Whew, what a moment. All right, I am home now, so I just want to show you. I just have the basic white switch covers. So, bless you, Morty. So I got one to change the hallway. I hopefully got enough to change all of the ones in the kitchen and then the bathroom, because let me show you. Our fixtures are that same finishing, and so is the faucet. So yeah, I'm just gonna work on it through the day. Just gonna take time to relax as well, but I will definitely show you guys what it turns out like. All right, guys, I took a shower, I ate, and I just watched some YouTube. But I need to go back and get some more. I didn't get some of the right style, and I decided that I would just do them kind of like along the main hallway of the house, like the front door, like the wall over here, and then where I've shown you, and then like everything else will just stay the same. Maybe down the road can just like spray paint them or something, but I think it would make sense and be very fluid if we just had them along the house. So I'm gonna go get a few more. The hardware store I went to is like a local hardware store. Like it's a chain, but they're all like kind of that local feel. And so everything tends to be about $1 more, but it's literally right down the house from me. I priced it at Lowe's, and I would save just a couple of bucks, and Lowe's is like a 20-minute drive to either location, so 20 minutes there and back. So I'm like, you know what, I'll just suck up that extra few dollars to not have to drive for my time. So I'm gonna go get those, but I'm gonna wrap up the vlog for today, because when I get back, I am going to turn the Christmas tree on. I am going to put on Lifetime holiday movies. I didn't do it the other day like I wanted to, and I'm just gonna do my favorite thing, which is multi-device. I'm gonna have the movies on, I'm gonna have my YouTube on my phone. Like, this is like my favorite thing. That's like my relaxing. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. We really will do the makeup collection stuff. But thank you guys for following along with me today. I don't know that I'll switch out all the light switches tomorrow, but or today. Maybe, but if I'll give you an update tomorrow either way. Thank you guys so much for being here and following along, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.